Here comes Speed Racer, he's a demon on wheels. He's a demon and he's gonna be chasing after someone.
All right, guys, check it out. We just finished Audi versus the World. You see Cindyology back there. She decided to come with me. And there's Third Degree himself doing the driving. And we got Darlene Degree, Third Degree's lady is here. So we just rolling, man. Man, the Audi people were really, really nice to us. Snatched us a bunch of Audi souls, and we had a good time, guys. Met some great people. We actually raced some interesting cars. They had some Ferraris there, and they had the Bentley SUV. My gosh, it was just fast. It's one of the fastest SUVs. You know, I don't know if the track car can beat that car, but man, that car was moving really, really fast.
Like that. Who you know got it like that? Who you know getting degrees and they rapping like they got diplomas in rap? Made it this far and I still got a lot to accomplish. In fact, and I know they believe it. I'm talking arenas from LA to Sweden. I never stop winning. I feel undefeated. I come to your city and everyone pulling up, shut it down when I'm pulling up. Come around when I'm pulling up. In my town and I'm pulling up. Ready for anything, anyone. Know that I get it done. In a Benz, I be pulling up. Tell your friends, cause I'm pulling up. Shut it down when I'm pulling up. Come around when I'm pulling up. In my town and I'm pulling up. Ready for anything, anyone. Know that I get it done. In a Benz, I be pulling up. Tell your friends, cause I'm pulling up. Pull up, I get what I want. I need a million ones. I need a couple of states to put all the haters back into their place. Now bringing the bass. Ayy, ready for the big league. Never gonna miss me when I'm on the TV. I'm the MVP. Whenever they hear me, kill it. They be coming at me, but I hit them with a pivot. I've been ready for the shit. Never gonna quit. Pull up and I'm never gonna miss. Everybody want it, but I know I gotta get it. I've been dedicated to a life I know I gotta live. Ayy, I feel it coming. I set up for nothing. I know what I need, and it's more than the money. It's more than a woman. Not easy to reach, but I know that I gotta be pulling up. Shut it down when I'm pulling up. Come around when I'm pulling up. In my town and I'm pulling up. Ready for anything, anyone. Know that I get it done. In a Benz, I be pulling up. Tell your friends, cause I'm pulling up. Shut it down when I'm pulling up. Come around when I'm pulling up. In my town and I'm pulling up. Ready for anything, anyone. Know that I get it done. In a Benz, I be pulling up. Tell your friends, cause I'm pulling up.
Here comes Speed Racer, he's a demon on wheels.
Pulling up, shut it down when I'm pulling up. Come around when I'm pulling up. In my town and I'm pulling up. Ready for anything, anyone. Know that I get it done. In a Benz, I be pulling up. Tell your friends, cause I'm pulling up. Ready or not, I be pulling up. Remember they said I'm not good enough. I took all the energy, turned it to greatness. Now look at my life, man, it's looking amazing. I'm ready for anything, anyone. I've been so ready for everything I've become. When I was stuck, I had no other option. Believed in myself when the shit wasn't popping. I got it like that. Who you know got it like that? Who you know getting degrees and they rapping like they got diplomas in rap? Made it this far and I still got a lot to accomplish. In fact, and I know they believe it. I'm talking arenas from LA to Sweden. I never stop winning. I feel undefeated. I come to your city and everyone pulling up. Shut it down when I'm pulling up. Come around when I'm pulling up. In my town and I'm pulling up. Ready for anything, anyone. Know that I get it done. In a Benz, I be pulling up. Tell your friends, cause I'm pulling up. Shut it down when I'm pulling up. Come around when I'm pulling up. In my town and I'm pulling up. Ready for anything, anyone. Know that I get it done. In a Benz, I be pulling up. Tell your friends, cause I'm pulling up. Pull up, I get what I want. I need a million ones. I need a couple of states to put all the haters back into their place. Now bringing the bass. Ayy, ready for the big league. Never gonna miss me when I'm on the TV. I'm the MVP. Whenever they hear me, kill it. They be coming at me, but I hit it with a pivot. I've been ready for the shit. Never gonna quit. Pull up and I'm never gonna miss.
All right, guys, check it out. I had the opportunity to run the Hayabusa again in a different race. Instead of an 1/8 mile, it was in the 1/4 mile. This time, guys, it was pretty interesting because I was watching the Hayabusa's times. I believe the fastest that he was running that day was about a 10.3 to a 10.4. I was actually running a 10.1 on that track. So I was pretty confident that it was going to be the same result and I was going to be able to beat the Hayabusa. Went and talked to the owner and found out that his clutch was slipping. So his car was coming out of the hole a little bit slower than what it usually does. But anyway, guys, let's see how that goes. You know what I'm doing. Snatch your souls. Peace.
You know, I snatched the soul of this Hayabusa in the 1/8 mile, but now we're in the 1/4 mile, revenge time. I don't think, do you think they'll let you run me here in the 1/4 or they won't do it?
Yeah, they are.
They are?
Usually they don't.
Yeah.
If I'd have known, I would have made
Hey guys, I'm telling you, it's going to be a different story in the 1/4 mile, okay?
We need to do it for sure.
Yeah, we need to do it. He got to get his revenge back. In the 1/8 mile, I was able to get off the line, and right at the 8 is where he was, whoa, flying off.
It was fun.
It was fun. So we'll run it again. Now remember, this Hayabusa is all stock. For people that complain and say, this gentleman doesn't know how to ride the motorcycle, what did you say? What did you say to them?
Come on out.
Come on, bring your all-stock motorcycle and race the Hayabusa, right? Look, I see this gentleman at the drag strip all the time. He knows what he's doing. It's just hard to launch in the 1/8 mile without flipping the bike, right?
Yeah, the beginning's hard, stock gearing and stuff too.
Yeah, the bike is all stock. He hadn't modded it, so there you go. Anyway, guys, hopefully I'll get the rematch and we'll get to make a cool video.
Yeah, it sounds like fun.
Yes, sir. All right, brother. Peace.
Pulling up, shut it down when I'm pulling up. Come around when I'm pulling up. In my town and I'm pulling up. Ready for anything, anyone. Know that I get it done. In the bands, I be pulling up. Tell your friends, cause I'm pulling up. Pull up, I get what I want. I need 1,000,000 ones. I need a couple of states to put all the haters back into their place. Now bring in the bass. Hey, ready for the big league. Never gonna miss me when I'm on the TV. I'm the MVP. Whenever they hear me kill it, they be coming at me, but I hit them with a pivot. I've been ready for the shit. Never gonna quit. Pull up and I'm never gonna miss. Everybody want it, but I know I gotta get it. I've been dedicated to a life I know I gotta live. Hey, I feel it coming. I settle for nothing. I know what I need. Shut it down when I'm pulling up. Come around when I'm pulling up. In my town and I'm pulling up. Ready for anything, anyone. Know that I get it done. In the bands, I be pulling up. Tell your friends, cause I'm pulling up. Remember they said I'm not good enough. I took all the energy, turned it to greatness. I look at my life, man, it's looking amazing. I'm ready for anything, anyone. I've been so ready for everything. I've become when I was stuck. I had no other option. Believed in myself when this shit wasn't popping. I got it like that. Who you know got it like that? Who you know getting degrees and they rapping like they got diplomas in rap? Made it this far and I still got a lot to accomplish. In fact, and I know they believe it. I'm talking arenas from LA to Sweden.
Dang, he spun big time, man. The whole 60 foot. I feel like that was trash. And he ran a 10.8, I think is what it said. Bike got him.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.